Last week, I uploaded a video about how to rank on YouTube with no subscribers. Well, this is going to be part 2, but instead of using my own channel as an example, I'm going to use my fellow YouTuber, Awesome Fine Arts channel, and prove to you that you can do SEO in any niche. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to Mind and Marketing. Now, today we're going to be helping one of my fellow YouTubers with her SEO. Now, you guys have seen me do it with my own channel and my own content a few times now, so this time I wanted to show how you can use it with different niches. So let's head on over to her channel and take a look. So this is the channel Awesome Fine Art. Now as you can see, she already has 8,500 and so subscribers, which is amazing. She has beautiful art. I mean, the skill level is insane. So what I'm going to help her with today is SEO, mostly for her titles and her description box. And this is going to be a technique that you guys are also going to be able to use. Now, side note, one thing I highly recommend for her is that she might want to make a channel banner. She could probably make some kind of collage of her art, or maybe draw or paint some kind of banner art. It'll make your channel look way more legit. I personally think that for this niche, the art speaks for itself. So you really want to just keep it simple, just like she did. So I really don't have any comments on the thumbnails. Now I'm going to do her title and SEO score really quick, but the main focus on this video is going to be for tags and optimizing your description box so that you'll get more views. The video that I'm going to take is this one right here, called Color for Abstract Portrait. Right away, I can tell that this needs to be changed and optimized. It's too long. It's colorful abstract portrait, colorful face, acrylic painting, how to draw abstract face step by step. It needs to be more cohesive. It needs to be more like an actual search term. Now, what's interesting about this video that I chose right here, it only has one view. It was uploaded yesterday, but she actually did a YouTube short of that same video over here, and this performed really well. But the stark contrast between the short and the video shows me that the problem is not with the video content itself. So people actually like the content, but the problem is that people are just not finding her video, which is why her view count may be low. So we're gonna hop onto the beloved Google Keyword Planner and take a look. Okay, so now we're back in Google Keyword Planner. Now, I did get some comments about people being a little confused on how to make an account, and that you're being asked to start a campaign or to pay. Once again, you're not supposed to pay for this. You don't need to create an account or a campaign to get access to this. I will be making a video going through the process where I'll create a whole new account so that I'll walk you guys through it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So what we're gonna do here is we want to get keywords for our tags, titles, and description box. I choose my tags first because I will then use those tags to make my title and my description. So she's in the art niche, and this video is titled Abstract Face Painting. I'll try, for example, abstract art, right? And we'll see how it does. You just test and see. Okay, so we have abstract art, highly searched keyword. Unfortunately, also a very high competition keyword, meaning it's going to be hard for her to rank. But we can see what other keywords are available that are lower or medium. So we have non-representational art. Let's see, going further down, you have, don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even going to try. Abstract realism. And further down, expressionist painting. Okay, so we have 3 tags that we could use. And like I mentioned in my other videos, when it comes to searching in this keyword planner, you want to go for 1K above. Anything lower than that is just not worth it. So what you basically do is you just push the little check box and you just push copy. You always have a Word or a Google Doc or a Drive document open on the side, so you just copy them over there. Her channel is called Awesome Fine Art, so why not do Fine Art? Okay, so we see we have fine art. That's very high average monthly search volume and low competition. This is actually a perfect keyword to use either in the tag or in the description. The last keyword I'm going to look for is art for beginners, because usually it's a lot of people who are getting into art, who want to know how to draw certain things, that are looking at these kind of channels. Okay, so there's a lot of good ones here. So all of these she can use and put them into her tags. So now that I found the keywords that I want to use, I've made a list. I'm going to now head on over to TubeBuddy. Okay guys, so now we are in TubeBuddy. Now if you don't know what TubeBuddy is, it is a Chrome extension. It is a YouTube SEO tool that you can use. It'll check your SEO score, it'll give you the tags that you'll be able to rank for. It's free for anyone to download. There's a link in the description down below if you would like to download it as an extension. I've used the free version up until now. This is the first video where I'm actually testing out the pro version. But you're going to be able to do exactly what I'm doing with the free version as well. Now, one of the tags that we had in Google search is fine art. I'm going to see how well fine art does in TubeBuddy. Now, this is going to give me a weighted score, which means this is going to weight it for my channel. But I'm going to do the unweighted version. This is going to be just a general SEO score. Doesn't matter what channel it is. And you can see that it gives you a poor score. Why? Because well, the search volume is great, almost 1 million searches per month. However, competition poor meaning that it's extremely high, but we're going to be able to use it in our description. Okay, so next one we're going to do is abstract face painting. So we have fair. So now we're getting somewhere. From here I like to build on, so I think abstract face painting for beginners, if you remember that's the last keyword that we looked at. Okay, we're getting good. That means we're doing something right. But I want to take it a step further. I usually like to add how to. I find that how to videos tend to do better in certain niches. And when it comes to art, everyone wants to know how to draw a face, how to draw a dog, how to do oil paintings. And there you go. Gotten a score of 100. Excellent. So this would be a great place for her to start. Honestly, if I were going to take this, I would tell her to just build it and call the video how to do an abstract face painting for beginners. This is it. You're done. Close your computer and go. Bye. So we have a title, or we have an idea of a title that has an excellent score. We're gonna go in and write our description. Okay, so I've hopped onto a Google Doc here. I've copied over the keywords that I've gotten from Google Keyword Planner. These keywords right here is what I'm going to use to write the description. Now the reason why we do this is because in YouTube, when you search, not only is YouTube looking at your title, but it's also looking at your description. Let me give you an example. So if you head on over to YouTube, if I type how to train your dog. Now I don't know if you're able to see this, but there are actually bolded words. As you can see here, this one, dog training, is in bold. Dog training is in bold here. How to train a puppy is in bold. When it's in bold like this, that means that YouTube is picking up on the keywords in the description. Now you'd probably be able to see this a lot better if I didn't have the dark mode on my YouTube. Search for any keywords and you'll see that the description, if someone has done SEO in the description, YouTube will find that in their description and then pull that up so it'll rank on the search page. I copied over all the keywords that I found from Google Keyword Planner that rank well enough. Now this is an example of what I wrote for her and for her description. You don't want to make it sound like a robot speaking. Basically, you want it to sound natural. One special tip, I'm just going to say this. When you're writing your description, repeat the title of your video in your description. That's like a major ninja SEO hack there. So I wrote, welcome to my fine art channel, fine art being a keyword. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do an abstract face painting for beginners. This non-representational art piece is a part of the abstract expressionist movement. Now she will probably have to double check this because I do not know if it actually was a part of the abstract expressionist movement. So I will focus on how to draw an abstract face that has a touch of abstract realism. I really enjoy doing abstract art designs and expressionist painting, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now these are all really good keywords that are in this description, and if anyone searches for any of these, she has a chance that her video will come up in search. So make sure you guys head over to Awesome Fine Art and check out her content. Also, let me know in the description box down below how you guys like the video and how you guys find this content, because I find out that I'm really enjoying doing these SEOs for other people. If there's anybody who has a small channel who has no idea what they're doing in SEO and really wants some help, leave it, just comment down below. I can hop onto your channel and see if there's any way that I can help you with your SEO. I'd be glad to do it. So that was part 2. Hope you found this video to be helpful. I highly recommend you watch part 1, so click the video on your right to watch that. Please give this video a thumbs up to help support the channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.